Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Iftikhar and I work as a senior backend engineer in the compliance group of the government stage at GitLab. Today I'll be demonstrating the GitLab Snowflake connector that I've been working on for the last couple of weeks. I have installed this on my Snowflake account, so I'll just go to the app and launch it. This is the application, I'll launch it. I'll select the warehouse. So there are a few prerequisites that we need to meet in order to make this connector work. So I already have a GitLab account. I've also set up a personal access token, and I've also set up the external access integration. So I'll just start the configuration. So we need to grant this connector some privileges. So it needs to create a database and execute tasks. So I'll just grant those privileges. We also need to choose the warehouse. So I'll select the warehouse. And we also need to name the database. So I'll just call it as GitLab ingested database and GitLab ingested schema. So I had already set up the external access integration and I had named that as GitLab integration, and I had already added the this is the part where the secret was. So, and for this video I'll be using this staging GitLab instance, so I'll just connect to that. And now this is the group for which we want the audit events to be pulled in. So I'll just add the GitLab org group here and finalize the configuration. And yeah, that's it. So the settings have been persisted and there's a cron which runs every minute. So we'll see the data the next time the cron runs. By the time we can see the settings that we have. So this is the per minute cron that is run, that runs. So right now it's currently syncing the data. And this is the group that we have configured and it's enabled for ingestion. The projects is still a work in progress for us to enable ingestion for audit events for projects. And in the settings, we can see the connector and the connection configurations that we had. So we have set the database as these, and in the configuration, connection configuration, we can see the domain name, the GitLab domain, the external access integration, and the secret where the personal access token resides. So you can go back and just wait for the data to ingest. This usually takes maybe 1 to 2 minutes for the initial streaming to start. And I'll just pause the recording for the meantime. So it's been a couple of minutes. I guess the data should have been there. Uh, I'll just reload this. So the home page should now show the number of rows that were ingested if the ingestion had occurred. So just see. So now we've seen like 40 rows were updated, and we can also see uh, the data where of these rows. So I just go to the Snowflake instance again. I just see. So we have the GitLab ingested database here, the GitLab ingested schema, and the different tables that we have. So we also have the group audit events table, which has these two columns, and the instance audit events table, which has the raw data column. We also have a view on it, so I'll just go ahead and see, just preview the data that we have. So yeah, it looks like the data has been ingested from GitLab.com to the Snowflake instance successfully. So the cron will run every minute, and then it will ingest more data as it comes. Right now we have 20 rows for this group. So the group is GitLab org, and for the instance events, we'll be seeing all the events there. What I'll do is now let's try adding another group here and see if the ingestion works for this group. So it says the resource has been created, and we can also see that we have another group here. So next time the connector runs, it will also sync the audit events for this group and not just the audit events. And we can validate that by going to the data preview and reloading the data. So now if we reload this, we should also have, yeah, we have data from the other group as well. So yeah, this is what the connector looks like right now. We are also planning to add a lot of more features in the coming months. Hope you liked the video. Have a great day. Bye.